Wonder of the Seas cabin tour, cabin 11528. As you can see, this is an ocean view room and it berths 2 people. Currently set up as a king, it can of course be converted into a twin, but the sofa you see on the right does not fold into a sofa bed. It's worth noting that this ocean view is considered an obstructed view. As you can see, there is a little pathway for crew, not a general walkway, but more if they have any maintenance or work to do. So it does not have a direct view down into the ocean, and for that reason it's considered obstructed. Let's talk about the features of the room then. So next to the bed on either side you will have a little bedside table. You'll notice a phone on one side, and at each side you do have a little bedside lamp that has a couple of outlets on there for charging your devices. You've got a US outlet as well as a USB outlet. Same on the other side as well. On either side of the sofa you do of course have your storage. The left storage contains some shelving space as well as your safe. Quite narrow shelves, but certainly quite deep. And then at the bottom you've got a couple of drawers here as well for that extra storage capability. The storage on the other side is your hanging storage. It does have a bar in the middle that can be removed should you have some longer outfits to hang up. Plenty of hangers, and you've got your laundry bags in there as well. Continuing with the storage, we do have our drawer space over on the other side. Plenty of drawer space. You've got a large drawer with some medium drawers. There are some items in there such as hairdryer, tissues, room service menu, etc. You can move these about. Underneath the drawer you do have your cooler. Remember, this is a cooler, not a refrigerator, and it cannot be used to store medications. Several outlets here. We've got some US outlets as well as European outlets and USB, and we do have a vanity mirror. I'm going to point out at this point that my audio did not record, so I'm currently doing a voiceover at home. I was talking about the fact that I did not have a key to plug in to get the electricity to generate. Over by the TV you'll notice you've got several hooks down there. You could put some masks or lanyards or other items hanging, and the TV itself does pull out so that you can watch TV from the comfort of the sofa, or fold it back to watch TV from the comfort of your bed. Outside the bathroom we've got full-length mirror, useful for when you're getting dressed, and we're going to go into the bathroom in just a moment. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I realised I didn't have a key on me to put into the slot of the door. That's what turns on all the lights and the air conditioning to the room. That's just an electricity saving measure. At this moment in time, I'm frantically trying to find something to put in there. Now it's worth noting you can put any card in there at all. It doesn't even have to be plastic, it could be paper. So I'm currently digging out my wallet and pulling out a debit card that I can use in there. You'll notice as soon as I put the key in that all the lights turned on. You don't need to keep the key in all the time if you don't want to. Okay, so in the shower itself, a very decent sized shower with the glass door there. You do have the usual washing line grate to hang up your swim costume afterwards. You've got 2-in-1 soap and body wash shampoo thing. Ladies, you do have a little rail there if you are looking to shave your legs. We have an outlet for razors, electric razors, and then we have some shelving units. I do wish there was a bit more shelving, maybe shelves on either side. But that being said, I do love this sink. It's a big size sink, it's a modern sink, and we do have a nice counter space there. Plenty of space for your towels, and don't forget that storage under the sink as well. Great to store your toilet bags, maybe some medications or items that you don't need if you carry a first aid kit, for example. As you can see, the cabin is very nicely decorated. I really like the artwork. The artwork was different in every cabin. The tones are nice and subtle, they're not too bright and in your face, and certainly not garish like cruise ships of past times. You're probably noticing some water there. You can pre-order your water in advance. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and if you're enjoying this channel, then please do subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this room tour on the Wonder of the Seas, and in the meantime, happy cruising.